All right, we are looking at a Fieldpiece gauge that is filled up with alcohol. This is the third time I'm flushing it out with alcohol. I actually had it in here overnight. And, you know, green dye in there and everything like that. So now I'm about to hit it with some nitrogen. Let's get out of the dizzy mode. So each one of these are filled up. The whole entire thing is topped off with alcohol. I poured the alcohol in, topped it off, let it sit, shake it around, put the high pressure nitrogen here, blew it out both the ends. So I'm about to repeat that again. So this is going to be the third time because I'm trying to clean the pressure sensor in there for micron sensor. So we're open, closed. Now let's make a geyser. Now it's pretty clean. There's no oil residue. This is the third time, so it got to be pretty goddamn clean. So closed, open. Pressure's gonna come in. Crank that puppy up. I have safety glasses on. Oh, I don't have that on. Oh, and I didn't want that open yet. God dang it. Too fast. Crank that up. We have it set at, let's get it up there. I want to blow up hoses. There we go. 600 PSI. Facing away from me. Going in. When I crank this out, it's going to blow out of here and blow out of here. That's it. Fill it. Okay. Now I'm just going to do one side. Do the other side, and then after this it goes on the vacuum pump to make sure it's nice and dry. Open this. You see how it's coming out nice and dry. Now when you have 99% alcohol, it's much easier to dry them out than if you have 70% alcohol, because that's 70% water. Water doesn't dry so easily. All right. So now we're ready for the vacuum pump, and I'll throw it on the vacuum pump and go from there. See if I still have battery in this thing. And yeah, plenty of battery. All right, this is going on the vacuum pump, and you take this to the vacuum pump when you get under 100 microns. You know you're very well good to go. Any moisture content you got in there, you didn't use shop compressed air, so you didn't put in any oil from your compressor. You didn't put in any moisture from your compressor. You used dry nitrogen. And your micron sensor should now be clean and dry.